Let us take, for example, in business. Items, for example, you decide to have a business. You want to sell juice, for example. Let's say lemon juice. You decide to sell lemon juice. And then, you want to decide kung ilang glasses of lemon juice should be prepared to attain a maximum profit. Siyempre, kapag papasok tayo sa business, siyempre ang goal natin is to attain the maximum profit, di ba? Wala naman siguro ang nagnegosyo na ang goal lang is to enjoy para lang hobby, pero majority, siyempre, pinaka goal natin sa business is to get profit. May revenue, profit or revenue. So, yes, in this particular situation, that equation can be applied. So, for example, you had determined na ang demand. So, sa sa AP. Sa AP9 nyo, you will encounter the word demand. Ang demand is 12 glasses. Siguro sa street nyo lang, sa community nyo, few houses lang naman. So, ang na-determine na, ang demand is 12 glasses. And then, can be determined na yung price will be represented by P. Okay? When I write the uppercase P, that means price of that item, the lemon juice. And you know that 12 minus P can be represented by the demand of this particular item. And then, ito yung number, the number of glasses to be prepared. And we all know that the number of glasses multiplied with the price, we will get the revenue. So we will have the equation, the quantity 12 minus P times P, ito yung price niya, equivalent to the revenue. The uppercase R means the revenue. Okay? And then if we use multiplication by distribution, ito ng grade 8, we will distribute P to the parentheses, we will get equation 12P. 12P was obtained multiplying 12 and P. That's why 12P. And I have P minus. And if I multiply P times P, we will get P squared. P times P equals P squared. I will be inserting equation to show na yung superscript kasi siya. I will use script P and then squared. Again, P squared was obtained by multiplying P and P is equal to R revenue. So I have now this equation. 12P minus P squared equals R. This equation can be used for me to understand the number of glasses I need to prepare in order to attain the profit, the maximum profit. Because, for example, I will use this. Proceed with the next slide. New slide. I will post now the equation that we obtain. Let me change 12P para dire-diretso siya equation. I use the equation tool. 12P ito kanina minus. So, ito yung equation natin. 12P minus P squared equals R. Let's say, for example, I will prepare 10 glasses. I want to know how much will be my revenue if I prepare 10 glasses of lemon juice. I will use this equation. And then I will replace P with 10. I will replace P with 10. I will write 12. Instead of P, I will now be using 10 as the value of P. Minus, same here, instead of P, I will use 10, the squared. Allow me to use equation ulit para may square kasi. Ito na lang, replace ko dito yung P ng 10. Same here, instead of P, I will use 10. And then I will solve the equation to get one number for the value of r. The product of 12 and 10, 12 times 10 is equal to 120. And then when you square 10, 10 squared means 10 times 10, which is 100. Okay? And then 120 minus 100 is the difference is equal to 20. Okay, 120 minus 100 equals 20. Therefore, the profit is 20 pesos. 20 pesos. Okay, na-follow nyo? Paki-chat ako dito sa chat box natin if nakuha yung explanation ko. Now, let me show you what if I tried to prepare 12 glasses. 12 glasses of the same product. Same lemon juice. I will be using the same equation now. The exact same equation. But this time, instead of 10, I will be using 12 because I prepared 12 glasses. The product of 12 times 12 is 144. And once I square 12, it is also equal to 144. Then 144 minus 144 equals 0. Okay, that means there's no revenue. Even though I prepared 12 glasses of the same product, I will be getting 0 revenue. Okay? Kasi sa business, it doesn't mean you prepare many, you will get the maximum profit. Because we consider the materials needed, there's only a certain number of product that you need to prepare in order to attain the maximum profit. Yan yung sense nitong explanation ko. And alam niya nang sa business, yung mga pumpasok sa business, sa negosyo, and maybe you will encounter this in your AP class later. Kung nag-online class na kayo sa AP or may module na, later on you will encounter that hindi ba sabihin na gumawa ka mag-produce ka ng sobrang daming product, you will get yung pinakamaraming profit. Hindi yun ganon. Meron lang certain number of items na kailangan mong ma-reach para makuha mo yung maximum profit. Pag naglagpas ka doon, pag nag-exceed ka doon sa number of products na yun, it will not guarantee you the highest profit. May chance na maging na siyang mas mababa dun sa in-expect mong revenue. Okay? Nakita nyo yung, did you understand the idea of that explanation? Did you understand my point dun sa sinabi ko na case sa business? How quadratic equation is being applied in business. And it is not only in business, you can still find many more application of quadratic equation, not just in this particular example. So we now form the equation, and then it will be used to find a particular solution to some questions na usually these questions are very relevant sa real life. Okay? So nag-start ako dito. I decided to explain the topic with this case, with this scenario, para makita nyo, parang ma-inspire na kayo na kailangan ko palang pag-aralan to, ang quadratic equation. Kasi may meaning siya, may purpose sa life natin. So, if you have time, you can search many more situations where quadratic equation is being applied. It is being applied in calculating yung sa speed, sa force, sa science, maraming application ang quadratic equation.